This was the campus drive-in. I remember seeing movie theaters here. Here you can see all the stuff. You can hear Mediterranean Place pretty good. Woodstock, yeah, there's still Woodstock here, and one in PB now. Old one's kind of out to the east of here. I took a video. It was tight. Burger King, you know. Some fun stuff happened here. Not going to talk about that one. Ho ho ho. So the campus drive-in theater, it was here for a long time, and I think it disappeared. I was less than 5. I was less than 5. Do you know why you're allowed to wear Boston stuff in San Diego? Oh well, couldn't finish my joke. Anyway, so Campus Drive-In had some really interesting neon on it. And here, they tore down the drive-in and they pretty much succeeded in recreating the neon in small form. That was the backdrop of the neon, although they didn't get the S up on the mountain. Because Cowles Mountain used to have an S on it for San Diego State. It had been there forever, and then they're like, oh, the poor whatevers, I don't know, we'll call them burrow owls. Poor burrow owls might be upset by you putting an S and, you know, the other things. There's actually good reasons to stop doing it. I'm being a jerk. But anyway, they had some cool neon. And I really should have done this one at night. Maybe I'll come back. That was what the actual back facing the street of the big screen was. It's majorette. That thing in front, that's the middle of the campus. If you're looking north from the light, what am I taking pictures of? Looking north from the library. If you're looking north from the library, that's some of the old school stuff that's there. That's, I don't know what you'd call that. It looks kind of like a mission, and then it has a tower. That's the bell tower. Seriously, the bell tower is one of the least impressive bell towers I've ever seen. But it looks cool in the picture that was on the campus drive-in. You know, some stuff happened over there. Now remember, I'm backwards right now. So it didn't happen over there, it happened over there. Yeah, I'm gonna walk around and get all the neon. I guess there's one other story that's interesting. One time at Woodstock, Chris Winko, after an SDSU baseball game, when that was a funny story. Shay and I are sitting there. We're with people from Caltrans. We're sitting there, and I hear someone really loud, and they keep yelling at everybody on the field. And I'm sitting there, and I'm like, Swinko? And he's like, Pastor? And it was Chris Winko. So we went to Woodstock. For some reason, he gave me a Wii controller. It's good times. All around parties everywhere. Over here, you know, to my untrained, and that orangey building, untrained 11-year-old palate, that was a Mexican place, and it was good. I don't think I'd think it was good now, unless it really tasted like taco shoppy. Here's the lesson. Here's the lesson. In San Diego, don't go to a sit-down Mexican restaurant. only go to taco shops, and there are a few places that are sit down that I'd say, yeah, go to that. Akia's Texcoco is one, Chula Vista. The other one is De Cabeza, which is owned by the people from Akia's Texcoco, which is all beef. Akia's Texcoco is all lamb. And seriously, they are really good. Try them out. There's an Akia's Texcoco in LA and one somewhere else. I don't know where it is. Anyway, there's another one there. That's what the majorette looks like. Shay and I can't even see. Shay and I did the majorette and the backdrop for Halloween once, and that was awesome. You probably have a picture of her right there. Oh yeah, I can see now. Yep, that's definitely her. We did the backdrop and a majorette for Halloween. I wore the backdrop on my back and the Frankie and Annette picture on my front, and Shay dressed up as a majorette, which she's allowed to because she's a card-carrying member of the Chickasaw Indian Nation. So before you get all huffy about her wearing headdress, she had one from like her grandma or some junk. A taco shop I've been in once, it was a taco shop. Okay, so let's see. Back over there somewhere, so I'm gonna get somewhere safe. See which way are these parking spots going? We must have been pulled in weird. Brandon and I did Ramones versus Godzilla in the back of Denty the Wonder Truck, way over there somewhere. Way over there somewhere. Like in between where the warehouse was, which I'm about to show you, and this Vaughn's, probably in line with the taco shop right there. So probably like right there somewhere. Either directly in front of me or 2 lines of parking spots away. And it was funny because, you know, Ramones versus Godzilla, always, what am I looking at? Always hilarious. And it was the day that a bunch of Christian kids who had extra Christian showed up and were listening to us. And we realized how extra Christian they were when one kid started yelling frick, 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 which was hilarious. Yeah, we had to be over there. Might have been right here, which is the line that I was standing in front of. Don't know. It's been a long time. 1999? Yeah, 1999 sounds good. Wood socks. Yeah, I want to come back and take night pictures of these. They look a lot better. Maybe when I take a night picture of the big one. There's still the big majorette. Big majorette's at College Grove on the Walmart. Sounds right. See, this one here says Campus Plaza. It has the backdrop buildings. So that one is on what used to be the warehouse, which is, you know, you can come buy CDs and cassettes and videotapes. I think they left with 4 DVDs. They might not have. But then it's turned about as empty as it is now. And every once in a while it was the Halloween store, and right now it's nothing. The warehouse. Looking over warehousey. Over there you can see the Big 5 that a troop used to work in, that was next to one of the two places where the Kerr family had rented all of the videos. I mean, seriously, like all of the videos. If there was a video, they had rented it at the Blockbuster. There's a car. There's my shadow. There we go. And over here was the first place I ever saw anything about frozen yogurt, which is not there anymore, and it was there forever. Like, as long as I remembered, up until maybe 10 years ago. I guess 15 years ago. I'm old, I forget. Stay off my lawn. So, see Jersey Mike's subs back there, backwards. See, that was Heidi's Frogen Yogurt. That was it.